welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a makeup tutorial for you, but today I'm gonna be just focusing on the eyes just because I've done so many videos focusing on the full face. I'm just going to step away from that for a bit and try to do more, you know, dramatic and fun eye looks in terms of makeup tutorial. So today I want to do something colorful. We're gonna go ahead and get started right now. As you guys can see, I already did my brows. A brow tutorial, a very detailed one, is always linked in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. So to base my eyes some more today, I'm gonna go in with my Sister It's You concealer, and you know, this is what I use most of the times to base my eyeshadow and stuff. So just to make the area a bit more, you know, solid and one tone, easier to work with, and help the shadows to pop a bit more. So I'm patting this in on the lid, diffusing everything evenly. So for my transition, I feel like I really want to go into yellow. As you guys can see, I'm feeling yellow today. As you guys can see, I have a yellow background going on, so definitely yellow is the inspiration for this look. I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking this yellow to start things off. So just pretty much focus this into my crease area and really just build on that. Okay, so to layer on top of this yellow, I want to go in with a deep green. I'm gonna go in with a tinier like blending brush to make sure this is a bit more precise. So I'm using this green from the same palette. I'm just gonna really focus this in the crease area right here. So I'm gonna layer some purple. So it's from the same palette, this one, in the crease area. So I'm gonna go a bit below the green that I just added. Now I feel like I definitely want to go in and start building my cut crease. I'm gonna use the same concealer from before. So basically, the purple got hidden. I could have done without adding the purple after all. I'm gonna go on the mid portion of my eye right there with some orange. Now I'm gonna move on with more yellow, and so I'm gonna go back in with this yellow, and I'm gonna put this in on the inner portion of the lid. So I'm gonna really just pat this on to the area and fuse it with the orange. Then also just take it on the tear duct area. I'm gonna go on the outer portion with yellow as well. That's just how I'm feeling. I want to make an addition to the tear duct area, so I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife and pack it over the yellow on the inner portion. Now I want to move on to applying a very dramatic wing, because I do want to add some of these colors to my lower lash line. Decided to add a little more oomph, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm using my JD Glow Cosmetics liquid gel liner, and this is a neon yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just choose some random areas that I want to apply this. Went ahead and did the liner and applied my lashes. Now if you need a detailed eyelash tutorial, one is also always linked in my description box, so check that out. I'm gonna go ahead, do my face makeup, come right back. Alright guys, so now I'm done with my face makeup. Well, almost, not quite, but I'm back onto my eyes, and I'm just taking more of the Fenty Beauty to go like on the inner portion of my lower lash line close to my tear duct, and I also applied it to my tear duct area. Then I'm gonna smoke out the outer part of my lower lash line with some of the orange I applied on my lid. Then I'm gonna take a bit of my gel liner, my black gel liner, and do a thin line on my lower waterline. Now I'm pretty much done with my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara and just blend in my upper lashes with my falsies, and I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes as well. I'm going to be doing a bit of color. I'm gonna be doing a matte color. I'm gonna let it stay matte, I think. So I'm going in with my Gaelle liquid lipstick in Browning. Guys, that's pretty much it for this look today. I was definitely feeling colorful. Really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want more of these tutorials, definitely give this video a thumb up, and you know, say that you want more in the comment section so that I know. And if you have special colors that you'd like to see, go ahead and drop them down below. Carnival season is up on us, guys. The fitness videos are coming right up. You don't want to miss that, because I'm also gonna take my little sister Shami on this journey with me. I mean, I've been on my fitness journey, but you know, our goals are a little bit different. Well, my goals are a little bit different for this year, and you know, it's the first time that she's gonna take on the gym, so you guys just gotta stay tuned for that. It's basically going to be a whole series, so stay tuned for that very soon, very soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look today. The products used will be listed in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. If you go ahead and recreate this look, please go ahead and tag me in it on Instagram at my IG, which is Petite Essence, which is PETITE number 3 SSENCE. It's on the screen as well. Go ahead, follow me, support your girl, really appreciate it. Also, we're almost at 400k, guys, almost there. So go ahead, subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet, because I do upload very frequently. Always trying to switch up my content, always trying to stay as consistent as possible and give you guys quality stuff. So yeah, you guys keep me going, believe me, you really do. So that's all for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.